Hi there, Martha Fraser here, and in this session, I want to gift you a meditation to help you with any breakdown, meltdown, or even if you're just in a funk in your business. And what I've learned is that for me, these things can happen from, you know, like maybe you're not sleeping well enough, maybe you're not eating right, maybe you're trying to do too much, or maybe you're having a personal growth session to the next level. And what is going on right now is an emotional build up inside you. And it's when we don't actually acknowledge it that it can get bigger and get a little bit, I guess, emotionally nasty. So, what I want to do here is really help you deal with these breakdowns. And when you use this meditation, it will help you go through it rather than avoid it. Because if when you go through it, you get the lessons and you harness the power of the meltdown, and it really will bring you to the next level. So, let's get started. Okay, sitting in a comfortable position, really just sinking into your chair and taking a couple of deep breaths. Putting your feet on the floor, letting your hands rest on your knees, and just allowing yourself to relax into that place where you are. Making sure it's a safe environment and it's perfectly safe for you to sit and close your eyes and to be in your own presence. Now, if you're having a funk or a meltdown or a breakdown or personal growth session, whatever your terminology is, you may not be in the best of form. You could be really, really low. And, we want to acknowledge that that's okay. We want to acknowledge that you are in the perfect place for you right now. You're nothing wrong with you. You've actually been given this gift of this meltdown, breakthrough, breakdown for you to move forward. And I know it may be hard to actually hear that right now because I've been there many times when it's painful and when things aren't working for you and you need help, you need support. So, what I want to help you do is really go inwards because the answers are within you. And I want to help you to connect with your higher power, your higher source. So, allowing yourself to take 3 deep breaths. What I want you to do is just to really be aware of what's going on physically with you, internally with you, and energetically with you. What is happening? How are you feeling? What is the problem that you're having this breakthrough about? Even just naming the problem will help you. It could be, I'm stuck. I don't know where to start. Nothing is working for me. And try and make it a bit more specific. I'm stuck where? I'm stuck on what project? I don't know what to start. On what? And when we name the problem, we've already done a good bit of work. So bringing the awareness into where you are right now. What are you having a funk about? What are you not feeling good about? What are you not putting attention on in your business that you know it needs it? And perhaps you are having this breakdown because you have distanced yourself from the project in hand and you just perhaps haven't even done the work. Or maybe you're doing the work and it's just not working. So just identify now where the problem is and just just say it to yourself. And if you want, say it out loud. Sometimes hearing the words allows the energetic storm inside you to come out of you when you verbalize it. So allowing that to come out. Just taking a deep breath and allowing yourself to go, okay, I'm in this storm. You can call it a shitstorm if you want, right? I'm in the storm. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm stuck. I'm lost. I need help. I don't want to be here right now. I want to be somewhere else. I want it to be done for me. I want it to all work out. I can't handle where I am right now because I want to be somewhere else. I want the results of what I'm doing to happen faster and sooner. I didn't think it would be this hard. I didn't think I would have to do all of this. I don't know if I'm cut out for it. What will people think of me? I'm failing. Or maybe I'm not succeeding because I'm not trying enough. Maybe I need to turn up more and do the work. Maybe I just need to show up more. Maybe I need to let go of some feelings that have brought me to this place where I am right now. Maybe I need to let go of the person I was yesterday and turn into the person I need to be today to get this work done, to go through this meltdown, this breakdown, this breakthrough. Being in business is just about growing up more and more, becoming more of the person you're meant to be, growing into the adult you need to be, letting go of any emotional roller coasters that have got you to where you are right now. It's okay. We all have these feelings. No one is any different than anyone else. So even though I have these feelings, it's okay. Even though it hurts, it feels like pain, it feels like torture, it feels like I'm doing this to myself. I'm allowing this emotional roller coaster to be within me. That's okay. Because these are emotions that have come up. They're like red flags saying, hey, you haven't learned this lesson yet. We need to discuss it. Our bodies are just sending us signs, letting us know that we need to put attention and awareness on something. We need to grow in this area. So thinking back to what it is the problem, what I want you to do now is going into phase 2. What is it you need to do in this area? What is your body and your emotions trying to signal to you? What do you need to do in this area? Being honest with yourself now. Just acknowledge what you need to do. What are you not doing? Are you not turning up to do the work? Are you not asking for help? What do you need to do in this area? Maybe you can't do it all on your own. Maybe you need to ask for resources, get someone to help you. Maybe you need to build a foundation of stronger personal strength so that you can bring your project, your mission to life more. Maybe you just need to acknowledge that you need to spend time at the desk to get it done. Maybe you need to let go of the fear that it won't work. Maybe you need to acknowledge that all you need to do is look at the next step. You can't do it all right now. You just have to look at the next step. So phase 1 is awareness. What is the breakdown about? Just put some words in it. Phase 2 is what are the actions you need to take in this breakdown. Phase 3 is what are the lessons to be learned here. Why did you have this breakdown, breakthrough, meltdown, personal growth session? Why has it come now? And what is the lesson? It is shouting at you. It is waving these flags. Hey, listen to me. You haven't done this yet. What are the lessons to bring you to the next level? You have this incredible system that alerts you, that will help you build a stepping stone to the next level. So what is the lesson? Phase 4 is applying the lesson. What you need to let go of. What you need to do to implement the lesson. What you need to let go of. What you need to do to implement the lesson. What you need to let go of. What you need to do to implement the lesson. Allow yourself now to really take a deep breath. Acknowledge the breakdown. Acknowledge the breakthrough process we've just gone through. And acknowledge the emotion that you're letting go of now. Thanking your body, your amazing body and source and everything you believe in for bringing you this personal growth session. So you have the 4 phases now. It is your time to implement, to journal after this session, and to then move on to your next level in your business. It is your turn to let go of this skin that you've just cracked and that you've just let go of. You've created a new stepping stone that is going to bring you onto your next level. Congratulations. You have just had a breakthrough. You've let go of your breakdown and you're on to your next level. Well done.